All right. Catch and release for the Microsoft Surface Duo was bound to come. It had to come. So first thing I wanted to address is the people that continuously come to the videos and tell me I'm complaining and all these other things. No, really what you're getting here on this channel is actually real reviews and real usage. And you're not used to that more than likely. You're just used to someone stroking your ego and telling you everything great about a device. Well, I think if anybody's been fair about the Microsoft Surface Duo, I'm one of those people. There are a lot of people out there that have it. Will H Tech Reviews has it. Spectacular Gadgets has it. Several other people have it, and they're enjoying it just like I've been enjoying it. However, I'm only going to give a pass for so long. Now, this is the longest pass I've given. If you want to say I'm giving a pass, it's to this device. The software is flat out not good, in a nice way to say it. So, all you guys that keep on saying, oh, you're just complaining, you don't know what you're talking about, you don't know how to use it, you don't know what a real review is because you're so blinded by what you think you see as a review. Where are all the other reviews on this device? I'm asking. I'm not saying I'm flawless with my reviews or anything like that, but who's really been covering this device? Not that many people. So many people. Most of the videos you'll see people do 1, 2 videos, and then they call it a day and say it's garbage and they move on. I gave Microsoft 30 days, more than 30 days, to fix this. They need to address this software. Period. That is the downfall. And to be clear, there's a lot of people out there that are not having any problems, and I applaud those people. Fantastic. And I'm a very patient guy. It proves because I didn't send this back right away. On day one, I was having problems. I didn't send it back. Some people have stated in my comments that they've been through 3 and 4 of these things. Well, I'm not going through all of that. I'm not going to even waste time with that. It's good enough. I'm sure if I factory reset it, I'll go back over and some of the problems will probably go away. But how many times do you want me to factory reset this thing? I've waited 30 solid days and I've given them ample time to push out more updates, and I've only gotten 2 updates. So yeah, no, I'm not returning this. This is going up for sale. So if you want this and you want to give it a try, I'll peel the skin off, put a signature on the back, or I'll leave the signature on there, leave the skin on, signature, sign it for you back, and then I'll send it to you. You can pay me for it, and it's all yours. But I don't think I'm willing to wait on this any longer. So maybe I'll put this up on Swappa or put it up on a local Craigslist, or I'm telling you now, DM me on Instagram at Mr. J.O. Williams, and you can go ahead and grab this original one. And nothing was opened in the box except for the bumper, and I put that back, and just this bonus taken out. So everything is still there. You know how I get down, just in case I want to sell something. So the catch and releases that I do is when a device just doesn't meet my needs. If you've never seen a catch and release video, that means that you're fairly new to the channel and you're within the last year or two probably, because I haven't really done a catch and release in such a long time, because a lot of the products that I have, I actually really enjoy them and find some use for them, and I'm willing to wait if something is going wrong with them. But with this device, considering the price tag, there's no discounts, there's no nothing. It's a matter of how long do I really want to wait for Microsoft to, do I believe that they're actually going to improve on this device, or are they going to scrap it and just bring out the next version and then fix everything? This would have been better if they just would have went full Android and just put the Microsoft suite of apps on there, kind of like BlackBerry did. BlackBerry pretty much went full Android, and then they put a few things on top to make it BlackBerry with security, but they let it stay Android. So this is what Microsoft is going to do. You're going to have to work through it, because it's obvious you can have dual screen devices that are Android. You've got plenty of other ones that are out there. But I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that, yeah, this device is a good device, and the failure is the software. And with no software, you have no device. You have no device. What good is this if it doesn't work when I need it to work? Now, recently I put out my 30-day review on this thing, and I was trying to record the intro with the phone, and the camera kept crashing. It literally was crashing. All these colors and stuff will be all over the screen. So that has only happened 2 times, and in that video I explained that it's only happened 2 times, and it hasn't happened since, because I haven't used the camera since, to be honest. And I don't know if it'll work again or not it'll do it again with the camera, but it's such a shame because this device is so nice. Everything else about this phone I can deal with. let's just be clear. So this catch and release is kind of like some of the other catch and releases that were kind of mild. I really didn't have to catch and release them, but yeah, yeah. And you know, I'm not gonna again, not gonna do a return. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this bad boy, and it's all yours. So if you offer me a good price, anything above 1250, this 256 gig will be yours. So a lot of you guys have been asking, Jay, what is the best folding phone then? Well, the most affordable folding phone that's really good for you probably would be the Axon M. If you don't want to spend any money, you can get those for like $100 now, brand new, unlocked online probably. But if you want to come forward to 2020, you know, don't do don't do like me if you don't want to. But I feel like the best folding phone at this point is the Z Fold 2, and that's what I'm recording this video with. To be honest, the front camera, as a matter of fact, the internal camera, that's what I'm recording this with because I wanted to see the big viewfinder. But nonetheless, folding devices, and if you don't want to spend Z Fold money, get the Velvet or the V60. Those are your options right now. The LG, just go to LG for your folding phones, basically. If you don't want to spend a lot of money. And then if you want a more compact device, obviously you've got Samsung, the Z Flip. Folding devices are hard to make, and this isn't a hard to make device because they killed the hardware. I mean, the hardware is much better than the Fold. The hardware is much better than the LG devices, but the software is a huge fail. Let's just be clear here. I am authorized to say that at this point because I'm not that person, again, who bought it 2 days later, it's gone. No. And I'm not saying those people are wrong. It's just that I'm saying I gave it a chance, basically. I had a little bit more patience than some people. Some people don't have the patience to wait that long. But reality is, this phone, this device, it needs a software update quickly. I mean, quickly. And hey, I'm not going to be in a rush to just say, hey, let's get rid of it. But I am telling you, you know, right now, as of October 12th, 2020, you can send me an offer, and I think, you know, we'll talk about it offline. But there it is, man. Catch and release for the Microsoft Surface Duo. If you bought this, you still are part of an exclusive club if yours works. If you're willing to wait even longer than I've waited for them to fix this software. Because the weird part is, there's a lot of people that keep getting it. Like Will H, I just watched this video, and he said, you know, I might just exchange it. Or I might just wait it out, because I believe with Microsoft you get a couple of months or something for return. I'm not a return person. I just don't like doing returns. But the fact of the matter is, you know, if you're willing to wait on something, okay, wait on it. But if you're not willing to wait on it, it's gonna be. I mean, I waited, I waited, I waited, I waited, and I waited, and I waited. Should I wait longer? You tell me. Should I wait longer, or should I just go ahead and officially call this the catch and release? It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video. I haven't done a catch and release in years. So again, if you're new to the channel, you probably don't even know what my catch and release series is. Now you know. Take care.